Get ready for an exciting space adventure. SpaceX is about to launch its Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base, and it's a mission you won't want to miss. The countdown begins at 8:44 a.m. on Monday, with a launch window extending until 12:44 p.m. This particular launch is part of SpaceX's ongoing Starlink mission, aiming to deliver 24 satellites into low Earth orbit. But here's where it gets interesting. Just a few minutes after takeoff, the rocket's first stage booster is scheduled to land on a drone ship named, Of Course I Still Love You, in the Pacific Ocean. Talk about precision. This booster has already flown 8 times, showcasing its reliability and reusability. And this is the part most people miss. SpaceX's live webcast, which starts just before takeoff, offers a unique opportunity to witness the entire mission unfold in real time. It's an incredible way to experience the wonders of space exploration. So, are you ready to join this space journey? Remember, every launch is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of the stars. Don't forget to sign up for our Headlines newsletter to stay updated on all the latest space missions and more. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about SpaceX's ventures? Or do you have concerns about the future of space exploration? Let's discuss.